Hey there, welcome back guys. This video special thanks to you for sending us the portable car adapter for your Starlink Mini. That's right, but what if you don't have a car? Well, we've got you covered. We make these videos so you don't have to. This is it right here. Really nice converter, 60 watt, 12 to 24 volts DC right here. We'll just add that to our box of collections. Comes in this packaging right here, but we actually have a portable power bank equivalent to that of a car. As you can see, there's a link to this in the description, but any power bank slash portable power thingy will work just right for you. Really simple, really easy to use. And maybe you want to go deeper into the woods when on that camping trip, right? Maybe you don't want to be tethered to your car. Maybe you don't want to have your exhaust running. This is it right here. You're going to need the original cable for your Starlink because it just comes with this right here that you plug right in to your portable power bank or car. Don't lose this piece right here. And it's pretty long, but we need this part right here that goes into your Starlink. This goes in like that. See that? Voila. And it also has a USB and USB-C charging port on there, which is going to turn the light on. As you can see, we are golden, but we just need to plug in the Starlink. We're just going to get our Starlink in a little travel bag. And so ideally you have your Starlink here. You're going to have to lift this up and you have access to your ports right here. You're like, where did he go? So we have this thing that we 3D printed. We're going to unravel all the Starlink Mini accessories. Probably going to put this over there in the grass so that we can work a little bit better. We'll put this here, that run here, put this over here since the grass is wet. So ideally, we're probably going to put the Starlink somewhere over here. Just need to find the right end, which is right here. You can see this will go into your Starlink right there. You can run it in from the bottom. See that? From the lower hole. Push it in, and now we can we'll know if it's on if the blue light right here shines. Right about here is good. All right, so now I'm gonna push everything to the app on the Starlink so that we can align the satellites and see if we can get internet from over there with our setup. We have our laptop, move the power bank over here since it is wet on the grass, and like I was saying, you want to make sure that you have the output coming out. And here we are right here, and as you can see, in addition to having the USB and USB-C connection, we also have a little indicator right there. We got 132, and if the power does go out, we would know because it would be lights out. But in this particular case, we just push it back in, wait for the reading to adjust, and see, 132. Kind of neat, huh? So designated for the car, but we are actually taking the show on the road. Okay, then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, sync everything. What we're gonna do is go here. Great, it says one device received, as you can see, but it needs to be, it's calculating orientation, and we can scroll down, right? And go into alignment. See, it needs to be aligned. So that part's really easy. Right here, as you can see, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it, and, almost. So it's still calculating, okay? Hopefully this is an ideal spot. It's still checking the orientation, but that'll give us time to look for a nice spot in the shade for the computer slash laptop. The Starlink is way over there. Still calculating orientation, and we still got full power. Starlink connected. So we need to align it again. Yay, it's aligned. So now we're back. We'll go to alignment again, and it looks pretty good. Yep, we got that. See, you want to see that thing? Looks like a halo from an angel. We are working with those amongst the stars. Let's go do a speed test and press start. We could move it closer, but then that means we have to align it again, but that's okay. That's pretty good. That's some pretty good speeds actually. And the Starlink again is all the way over there to our laptop so that we can see our actual speed test. Amazing how the Wi-Fi signal does travel pretty far. Oh no, that's okay. It stopped recording from the phone, but we don't need the phone anymore since we know we're connected here. And you want to make sure you're on the internet, which is for us How to Bailu, which is named the Starlink. And it's going to shrink this down right here. And let's see if we can check our email. I'm just going to go here to Proton Mail. We've got our power bank for over 14 hours, and it could be taking the show on the road. And then we're just going to go to my inbox to see what collaborations came in today. And as you can see, there's one right here for the M. It's pretty fast, especially considering the fact that it's way over there, well, at 50 feet, maybe away. And open up a new browser. And but look, another Starlink accessory coming our way. Unbelievable. You really can't make this up. I am in the market for one of those because I can't put the other Starlink accessory I had ordered that goes on the car rack because we actually have a ski rack. So you have a ski rack, you're not going to be able to put the Starlink on there, and I'm not taking the ski rack off because it's a pain to take on and off. And this is a link to this one right here if you're really interested in it. It's a Starlink mini car adapter with Type-C 12 to 24 volt 60 watts DC power cable for Starlink. So that means it also works with the Starlink Mini because we're using it on the Mini, but it's for Starlink. But does YouTube work? Of course it does. Let's see, we've got you covered. Here's YouTube right here. We'll go watch the video right over here. Brand new. I spent all my money on a sealed iPhone 4. Good luck with that. iPhone 4.
Want to become a pilot while working full-time?
Oh, wow. Just gonna turn down the volume and skip. Wow, look at that. Great quality, phenomenal. I'm not sure how the audio sounds because we're recording, so I have to, that'll be post-production. But let's see, DJI Mic 3. We're actually, wow. But yeah, the video quality is phenomenal. This will definitely help either take your show on the road, work out in the field. And again, the Starlink is way over there, and we're still getting the megabits per second needed to have the experience that we want. The cord could actually go a little bit further. Next time you want to climb the corporate ladder so you can take your work on the road. Anyway, let's see if it still works though, right? Here we go right here. There's our video. Wow, the quality is just phenomenal. But let's try a different video because maybe it was already downloading. So hopefully you're not watching YouTube and you should be working, sending out those email correspondences or reports so that you can make things happen. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. There'll be links to this in the description down below. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.